चलिए शुरू करते हैं अमित से ही। अमित बताइए आप ASP.NET क्या है?
Uh, it is a framework which is used for creating dynamic type of web applications.
ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वेब एप्लीकेशन?
Web applications means which can run only on browser.
दैट कैन रन ऑन वेब ब्राउज़र, राइट? ओके, गिव एनी एग्जांपल ऑफ वेब एप्लीकेशन.
Web application just like facebook.com, twitter.com.
These are web application. Okay, why we are learning ASP.NET? Next question, why we are learning ASP.NET?
For creating dynamic type of uh, web applications.
Okay, dynamic type of web applications that can also created by JavaScript, jQuery, Angular and React. Then why ASP.NET?
Because ASP.NET is lightweight, which takes less time to execute.
You already know about that. React is more lightweight than any other technologies. Then why ASP.NET?
Sorry, sir, I don't have answer.
Okay, Firoz, do you have answer of this question?
ASP.NET provides us more security than React or front end.
Any other differences?
It um, it ASP.NET is developed by the Microsoft
Hmm.
to build dynamic website and or web application.
Okay. It create server side web application, right? The main
Yes,
things we are learning ASP.NET to create server side web applications.
web
It
application.
means what? The applications created using ASP.NET that can run on IIS, Internet Information Service. Whereas using React, we cannot create server side application, but we can create dynamic website, dynamic web applications using React, right? You got it, Amit?
Yes.
Why we
Yes,
are
sir.
using ASP.NET? Okay, fine.
Hmm.
सर
हाँ
एक एक प्रोजेक्ट हम लोगों ने सोचा है.
जी, after this question answer, Firoz, we will discuss on that.
ओके सर.
I will take 10
Okay.
minutes for this your discussion, but before let me finish. Question answer session is going on. So next question, Amit, what is difference between ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core?
Uh, ASP.NET Core is the advanced version of ASP.NET, which
Okay,
provide some extra or updated features.
but provide extra updated features. Okay, any differences? Any more differences between ASP.NET and Core?
Mm,
The same
or
questions asked in interview while Firoz was giving interview day before
Yes
yesterday.
sir.
The same question asked by interviewer. The difference between ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core. What is your answer, Mr. Amit? While you have already talked with Mr. Firoz on this session, and have you captured this?
रिकॉल नहीं कर पा रहे सर, क्या क्या तो वो कुछ कुछ बताए थे फिरोज भाई, पॉइंट्स कुछ तो बताए थे, याद नहीं कर पा रहे क्या क्या बताए थे।
वो चीज़ आपको नोट्स करना चाहिए था ना अपने क्वेश्चन बैंक में। आप सभी को मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ, क्वेश्चन बैंक आप लोग अपना अपना रेडी रखें। ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, SQL सर्वर, C#, जो भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जिसका भी इंटरव्यू होता है, लाइव क्वेश्चंस जो होता है इंटरव्यू का, वो ज़रूर आप लोग लिखें। उससे आपका इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस का बैंक तैयार हो जाएगा। ये चीज़ आप लोग रेगुलर बेसिस पे करो। और ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन है जो मेरे साथ है, ये हर 15 दिन पे मैं कोशिश करूँगा आपको चलाने के लिए। ASP.NET का ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग 15 डेज़ का क्लासेस के बाद हम आगे आज एक क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन पे आए हैं। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मिस्टर अमित। ओके, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन ASP.NEट एंड ASP.NET MVC? Mr. Amit?
ASP.NET is a framework which provides a platform to create web application or web services, whereas MVC, where ASP.NET MVC is a design pattern which follow which provides a feature of clean separation of concern.
Which provides clean separation of concern. Any more differences between both?
Only moved. No sir, और तो कोई नहीं.
Okay. In MVC, method to method communication है ना. In ASP.NET we can see the design view, whereas in ASP.NET MVC to see the design view it is need to run the project. Yes, you know. ASP.NET uses view state to return the information or control post back, whereas ASP.NET MVC does not use view state. Got it? Yes,
sir.
you know. Next question, Amit. What is page life cycle? And what are the types of page life cycle? Can you tell me the type of page life cycle?
First one is pre-int,
Pre-init, right?
and second one is int.
Init.
अच्छा हाँ, init.
It is
And
init. Init stand for initialization, not
okay,
init.
init.
You have to say init. Just say init. Yes, it is right.
Init.
Mhm.
And then init complete, and after that load post data.
Preload, load, है ना? Okay, fine. Okay, that's all. Then
Preload.
render and then unload. Okay, fine. Okay, Amit. What is extension of ASP.NET web page?
.aspx.
Okay, and what is the extension of ASP.NET code behind page? If you are using C#, then
.cs.
the complete extension would be .aspx.cs, right? Okay, Amit. Chalo, next question, Madhu. Are there?
Yes, sir.
Madhu, tell me the full form of ASP.
ASP stands for Active Server Pages.
And what is full form of ASPX?
Active Server Page X
Indicate
is
.NET.
.NET.
Okay. What is .NET?
.NET is a framework, ready-made software architecture.
It is a ready-made software architecture. It is a technology. Why we are learning ASP.NET, Madhu?
ASP.NET we can create a web applications using ASP.NET, and it provide cross-platform.
No. It does not provide cross-platform communication. Using web services, we can communicate. If ASP.NET able to provide cross-platform, it means what do you mean? What you want to say? Is ASP.NET that can run on Linux? Is ASP.NET that can run on Mac OS? No. The ASP.NET, the application of ASP.NET that can run only Windows. Fine.
Yeah.
What is the latest version of ASP.NET?
4.8.2.
That is okay. You can say simply 4.8. If you want to say stable release 9 August 2022, it is 4.8.1. Okay. What was the first version of ASP.NET when released it?
2002.
Okay, that is the right answer. Tell me what is web browser and what are the types of web browser?
Browser is a software.
Okay. There are various type of web browsers like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge. These are the types of web browser. What is the software required to run ASP.NET?
IIS.
IIS web server. Okay. Apart from this, Visual Studio .NET framework and .NET framework that should be installed on your system, right? Yes or no? Who is developer of
Yes.
.NET, Madhu?
Microsoft.
Yes, of course, it is Microsoft. What is web application?
Web application is application which run on web browser.
That run on web browser and that can access by users using a web browser. Okay, that's fine. Name the protocols it is used to take your request from client and send your request to the server and get back response from the server to the client. What is the name of protocol?
HTTP.
Okay, it is HTTP and the full form of HTTP.
X transfer protocol.
Hypertext transfer protocol is a very right answer. And what is the full form of IIS?
Internet Information Services.
Very right. What do you mean by client server communication?
Client server communication means client communicate with server
Via protocol, right? So client means
Yes.
VR,
Yes.
yani users which send the request.
Yeah.
That one the client and where it send request to the web server, right? Okay, fine, Madhu. Next question from Lovely. Hi, Lovely, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is ASP.NET?
ASP.NET is a web application which
Okay,
is developed by Microsoft.
it is a web
It is
application.
basically used for
You have to say complete line. It is not a web application. ASP.
web application framework. Sorry,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
it is a web
ASP.NET is a
application
web
framework.
application framework
Mm-hmm.
which is developed by Microsoft,
Okay,
and it
okay,
is used for creating dynamic web application and web services.
okay. Now the full form of ASP
Active server pages.
and the full form of ASPX.
Sorry, sir.
It is active server pages and X indicate .NET here. So extension of active server pages you can say. And the full form of .NET you can say extension of network enabled technology. Fine. Now tell me the names of other languages. Those languages are able to create web application apart from ASP.NET. Now tell me the name of languages or name of the technologies that technology is also able to create web application. Lovely. Apart from
Name of
ASP.
technology which is used to create.
I am asking the name of technologies apart from the ASP.NET. The technologies are able to create web applications like PHP, Python,
React,
React, that is also for front end. Okay,
Yes.
fine. And Java. Okay, Python, Perl,
yes, sir.
CGI. These are the technologies apart from the ASP.NET that are able to create web application. What are the differences between ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core, Miss Lovely? Lovely. Are you comfortable to give this answer? What are the differences between ASP.NET and
Sorry, sir.
ASP.NET Core? So you simply have to say that ASP.NET is
No, sir.
ASP.NET is open source technology, and you already know that what is the meaning of open source. Okay, and ASP.NET Core is more comfortable to create mobile application, and ASP.NET Core that is platform independent. That means the application of ASP.NET Core that can run on Windows, Linux, Unix and any other operating system, but .NET is not platform independent. Like Java, ASP.NET Core is platform independent. So note this point, and I am also recording this question answer session for your future uses. Okay. So next question from
Okay.
Lovely. Now tell me the current version of ASP.NET.
4.8.2, which is released at 2022.
Okay, fine. And what is protocol? What is protocol and what is HTTP? The full form of HTTP, and what is the use of protocol? Now tell me.
HTTP stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and protocols means rules.
It defines rules. It
Which
defines a
follow
set of rules.
Which is follow at the time of client to server
Communications. Very right. Okay. Next question, Lovely. What is the full form of IDE?
Integrated
Development Integrated
Development
Environment. Now say just integrated development environment.
Technology.
No, technology is not there. Integrated development environment. IDE. T nahi. IDE. So Visual Studio is what? Visual Studio is an IDE na? That are able to create different type of applications like console application, Windows application, web services, mobile application, and etc. What is the current Visual Studio? What is the current version of Visual Studio? We are using this time 2019. So is there any current Visual Studio version?
2022.
Is the right? That is
Current
the
is
current studio.
2022. I am using 19.
We are using
2019.
19. Okay. Now tell me something about your Solution Explorer window. Are you aware about that? Solution Explorer window. What is the use of Solution Explorer window in Visual Studio IDE? Tell me something about
Solution
that.
Explorer window and Solution Explorer are same.
Yeah, though both are same. Solution Explorer window. Solution Explorer sometimes it is called as Solution Explorer window. Both are same. You can say
All folder exist in Solution Explorer.
Related to your project. And inside Solution Explorer we can add many projects. Okay, and the project can be any of type like console project, window project, web project. So one solution that can contain many projects, right? Inside a project, Lovely, last question. Inside a web project, how many global.asx files are there?